Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, June 11th. I'm James Spann. Got your classic combination this week of heat, humidity, sun, and storms every day. Let's go in there and check it out this morning. There's the upper air look. That looks a lot like June. The main storm track across the country, well to the north, ridging here, and a very moist air mass. We checked the radar early this morning. A pretty good little cluster of storms there passing through DeKalb County up in northeast Alabama. About 5 o'clock. That'll be in Georgia most likely by the time you watch this. Otherwise, things are quiet to start this day. Upper 60s, low 70s around here. Highs today. Most locations will be in the mid to upper 80s, I think, today. Most of the sun this morning. Most of the storms this afternoon. We do note there is a dense fog advisory for parts of central and east Alabama this morning. That's where some heavy rain came down last night. The sky cleared, wet ground, light wind. But again, that'll dissipate by mid-morning. That's a watch warning map around the nation, a variety of issues. Had some snow in Montana yesterday. Some flooding issues around parts of Iowa, Illinois, Indiana. A heat advisory in parts of West Texas. This is the severe weather outlook later today and tonight. And for Alabama, we're solidly in the green. We'll stay there all week, but we don't expect any organized severe weather. There might be a pulse-type severe storm. A marginal risk north of the state, the standard risk from Oklahoma up into Iowa later today and tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk clips northwest Alabama, but it's basically the same story for us. The main risk is over the southern plains. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal risk over, again, parts of the country's midsection. We are in the green, scattered storms, no organized severe weather. But again, a pulse-type severe storm is possible. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, kind of soupy down here in the deep south. And as we often say, these maps are very hard to draw because some storms might drop 2 inches of rain in just a couple of hours. But on an average basis, rain amounts for much of the state between 1 and 3 inches between now and Monday morning of next week. Tropical update. The Atlantic Basin, very quiet. Those bogus hurricanes the GFS tried to spin up 10 days ago, not happening as we expected. But over in the eastern Pacific, things are pretty active. Aleta is a dissipating tropical system. That was a Category 4 hurricane last Friday. And the new hurricane on the board is Hurricane Bud off the coast of Mexico. This thing is packing sustained winds of 105 miles an hour. That'll be coming up toward Baja California. Cabo San Lucas late this week is a weakening tropical storm. The main effect there will be just breezy conditions and rain, although they might see some gusty winds by Wednesday night. The main impact, not wind, but just rain for those of you headed down that way over southern Baja. And again, we'll see if the moisture can hook up into the United States. Sometimes that happens. It comes up into the southwest United States later. So let's look at modeling here. This is the GFS, the 06Z run at 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is at 500 millibars. Heights exactly where they should be here for this time of the year. Standard June ridge. And down below that, standard June moisture. Today will be like the weekend. A mixture of clouds and sunshine. Scattered showers and storms forming, most of them between 1 and 11 p.m. Not everybody gets rain. Where the rain comes, where the storms form, they could be strong. And again, I'd say highs 85 to 89 for most locations. And that's going to be the idea all week. This is tomorrow and Wednesday. Promise the maps are different. It just doesn't look much different. This is Thursday and Friday. Same deal every day. A mix of sun and clouds, scattered mostly afternoon and evening storms. Highs mid to upper 80s. We do note on Friday that Bud is a weakening tropical system near Cabo San Lucas, the southern tip of Baja. We'll go to Saturday, and for us, the weather's not changing. Some of that moisture from Bud might work up in the southwest United States. And Sunday, the same deal. So, as you plan your weekend, the sun out at times, muggy, hot, Highs close to 90, and again, we'll deal with scattered random showers and storms. No human knows now exactly when or where it's going to rain. They'll just be out there. Go to Monday, same deal. Ridging, moist air, scattered storms. Let's go out there to the 10-day outlook. This is Wednesday of next week, the 20th. Ridging, and again, you don't see a lot of green there, but it's the same setup. Check the numbers coming off the GFS ensemble, and I'd say these are about 5 degrees too high on most days. I think for this week, we'll see mid to upper 80s, close to 90 for the weekend, and pretty much the same deal next week. In other words, pretty typical June weather in Alabama. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.